Stop detecting problems. Start preventing them. RackInspect. A new era of rack inspection has arrived. Forget paper and pen. With RackInspect, slow note-taking is over. Focus on safety. With our smart glasses solution, you no longer need a notebook. Hands-free defect logging. Inspect faster with smart glasses. Just say the defect. RackInspect's AI instantly logs the data into the register. AI-powered rack inspections. Maximum safety. Zero paperwork. Built-in AI video analysis instantly detects damage in real time. Inspect, document, protect. Discover the future of warehouse safety. Automated safety records in seconds. Always audit ready. Upgrade your warehouse safety today. Try RackInspect.